Good morning to everyone. Good morning to dignitaries who share the stage with me. Thank you for giving me the honor of being the chief guest on this special occasion with your esteemed school. Having the history, it is started from 1967 before even I born. Today, 26th January 2026 marks the 77th years of India as a republic nation. It is a moment of reflection on who we are as nation and what we stand for. Republic Day reminds us that democracy is not something we inherit automatically. It is a something we practice every day through our choices and action. On this day in 1950, India became a republic. We chose to govern ourselves not by the authority of one individual, but by the rule of law. Justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity become the guiding principles of our nation. Our constitution gave voice to these ideals and continues to protect the dignity of every citizen. We also remember those who contributed to our freedom, framed our constitution, and continue to protect the nation. The best way to honor them is not only through words but through everyday actions by being fair, responsible, and mindful citizen. Being a republic means that power ultimately lies with the people. Every citizen matters, every voice matters, and every individual carries both rights and responsibilities. Republic Day is important because it reminds us that rights and duties go hand in hand. A strong country is built not only by those who ask for their rights, but by those who act responsibly and contribute positively to society. India's true strength lies in the values honesty, compassion, courage, respect, and unity have sustained us through centuries. We come from different cultures, languages, and traditions, yet we are bound by shared constitutional ideals. This is the true meaning of unity in diversity, judging people by their character and conduct, not by appearances or differences. Education plays a vital role in sustaining republic. Education is not only about knowledge or achievement. It is about learning to think independently, act ethically, and live responsibly. It prepares individuals not just for careers but for citizenship. Schools and other educational institutions are the quiet pillars of a nation. Teachers do far more than teach subjects. They are guide, mentor, and inspire. Through patience and dedication, they help students develop curiosity, discipline, confidence, and values. Students, in turn, shape the spirit of school through sincerity, effort, and respect for learning. Teachers, and students create spaces where ideas grow, values take root, and responsible citizens are formed. I sincerely acknowledge the contribution of this school, its educators, and all educational institutions that work tirelessly to strengthen the moral and intellectual foundation of our country. As someone associated with the administration of justice, I would like to share a brief thoughts on the law since I am a judicial member and head of the Central Administrative Tribunal for Telangana and AP. I had an opportunity to come before you because of this education only. So Saraswati is there with everyone. If we acknowledge the same, we accept learning every day. We have to learn, children, every day. It's a never ending process. We have to learn a lot. The school will build us to learn and understand and to become a human. It is not something like that we can learn at home. We can learn in the school, we can learn at home. Also, society will teach us. I would like to share a brief thought on the law. Laws are not meant to create fear. They exist to ensure fairness, dignity, and order. The rule of law functions best when it is respected, not out of compulsion, but out of understanding. Good values shape both individuals and nations. Discipline brings consistency. Honesty builds trust. Responsibility teaches accountability. Empathy reminds us our shared humanity. Courage allows us to choose what is right even when it is difficult. These qualities matters at every stage of life. In today's fast-changing world of technology and social media, these values are more important than ever. Technology should be a tool for learning and creativity, not distraction or comparison. Using it wisely helps protect our time, focus, and well being. No action is too small. Studying sincerely, caring for the environment, treating others with kindness, following rules, and standing against unfairness all contribute to stronger society. When many people practice small acts of responsibility, they create lasting national strength. As we celebrate Republic Day, let us renew our commitment to the values that hold our nation together. A republic thrives not only through law written on paper, but through values lived every day by its people. I wish everyone a meaningful and proud Republic Day. Jai Hind! Vande Matram! Thank you so much.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, 10 మందికి షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే కామెంట్ల రూపంలో మీ అభిప్రాయాలను మాతో పంచుకోండి. నేషనలిస్ట్ హబ్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఛానల్స్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని తెలుగునాట జాతీయవాద జర్నలిజాన్ని ప్రోత్సహించండి. ఈ వీడియో కింద ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ పై క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు.